Okay guys, first things first, these are the items that I'm going to be using, and I believe everything in total was under 20 bucks. I chose the flowers more so because of the colors, not so much because of the type of flowers. I do not know if these are springtime flowers, but I just knew that I was going for a springtime color effect. And I already pre-measured the wire around her head, so I knew what size I wanted it to be. I could have cut off the extra wire, but here I just decided to wrap it around. It created like a little knot. It wasn't quite flattering to me, so I actually chose to wrap some tape around it, and which you guys will soon see. Here I'm just going ahead and cutting pieces of the floral tape just to save myself some time. There wasn't an actual size that I wanted the floral tape to be. This is just the size that I thought I needed. I didn't actually measure it, I just was eyeballing it. And I also did speed up the video. I ended up taking this off. I just wanted to cover that little piece there, but I knew that I could cover it with a flower, so it really didn't matter, but I eventually took off the tape. So here I'm just trying to see how I wanted to piece everything together, and I'm eventually wrapping the stem around the wire just to secure it a little bit more than just by using the tape. And I'm just trying to kind of find the pattern that I wanted. And then as you guys can see, I'm wrapping the tape around the stem. Each time that I wrap the tape, I'll add a flower and wrap the tape, add a flower, wrap the tape, add a flower. I know that I won't really show much of that throughout the video, but that's pretty much what I did. In some parts, I just kind of wrapped the tape only until I realized what I wanted to do next. And I feel like I had a little difficult time with the tape, so I eventually got out my hot glue gun. And being that I had already had my pattern, how I wanted everything to go, I needed to close out the ends. So I did that by adding flowers going the opposite direction on both ends. And my bad if I don't get, well, because I know there are parts that I kind of don't really show that good. So I do apologize if you guys can't see. Some extra tulle and ribbon around the house, so my husband said that the back looked a little empty, so I decided to add like a little ribbon in the back so that it kind of hangs down. So it probably was extra being that I had everything going on with the flowers, but I'm extra and it's for my baby, so. Simple, just tie a bow, that's it. And I'm actually going to use the tulle I'm going to wrap this, we'll fold this a couple times so that it's thin or small, should I say. And I'm going to wrap this around the bow in the middle, or the middle of the bow, and tie it. And guys, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know overall what you guys think and what you guys would like to see. So yeah, here I just tied the bow, or tied the tulle, and I made sure I wanted to cover the middle of the actual bow with a ribbon. So here I'm just covering it, making sure that it covers it a little bit so that it's not like sticking out much, so that it doesn't look tacky per se. And I wanted the tulle to line up with the bow. So after doing it this way, I realized it's cute and all, but I felt like something was missing. So I ended up untying it and tying it again, but actually making a bow with the tulle. I don't know why I can't really say that good, but tulle. And I'm fluffing out the ends so that the bow, it looks like a bow and not just like tulle, basically. Here I am stretching out, making my bow, the ribbon, smaller so that it lines up with the tulle, because I feel like by it being so big, it kind of looked a little, I wanted it to be somewhat even and not tacky. I felt like with it being bigger than the tulle, it kind of looked kind of odd. So that actually made a huge difference. I wanted something to dangle in the back of her head, and that's kind of why this idea came to mind. I feel like it's giving me wedding vibes. So here she goes, modeling for me. And to my surprise, she didn't mind it being on her head. So picture day gonna be fun. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you think. Till next time, you guys stay sweet.